Transform your windows in one afternoon without sewing. With Traceable Designer, you won't believe how easy it is to make beautiful custom valances that look professionally designed. Traceable Designer valance kits include reusable, traceable, no-sew design forms used to make unlimited window valances without sewing, making them the perfect home decorating tools. With 5 no-sew valance kits to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect kit to fit your home decorating taste. The cornice-style valance includes unique layered panels. Easily adjust the overlapping panels on a wide pocket curtain rod for a perfect custom fit. No foam board, wood, or any other base needed. The end result is a fully lined, crisp, and professional-looking cornice-style valance. The Lambrequin valance kit includes long side panel styles used to frame your window. The Traceable Designer Lambrequin is easy to adjust for length and width. Adjust center panels to fit small or large window sizes and hang using a standard metal curtain rod. The Swag Style valance kit includes both pleated and gathered styles. These unique interchangeable panels make custom sizing a breeze. Make pleated styles, gathered styles, or mix pleated and gathered styles. Slip panels on a standard metal curtain rod or a straight decorative curtain rod. The Scarf and Blossom valance kit includes traditional scallop style valance design featuring custom scarf accents. The giant blossom styles make a big statement on any window. The Master Decorator kit includes all Traceable Designer valance styles in one reusable deluxe home decorating kit. All Traceable Designer valance kits include matching table accent design forms. Make beautiful custom no-sew table accents to match your valances. Style-specific video tutorials are available on YouTube. Simply follow along to make your professional-looking window valances without sewing. When custom no-sew decorating is this easy, why settle for less? Make your mark with Traceable Designer.